Very good morning. Today we will discuss the Orner's method, second sum. Show that the equation x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 as a root between 1 and 2. Calculate it to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places a and a plus 1. A and a plus 1. A and a plus 1. Here the a for integer value, integral value. This is for negative value and a plus 1 for positive value. First we have to find out one positive value and negative value. First, before that we have to check f of x equal to 0. The given function equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we have to arrange the function f of x equal to 0 format. Now here the given function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is for, it is arranged format, that is f of x is equal to 0 order format. Now here x cube, x square value not available, so we have to fix the value for 0 and x value minus 3x plus constant value 1. Now first we have to find out the question itself, the given 1 and 2. The root is lies between 1 and 2. Now one positive value and one negative value. By using the Orner's method, we have to find out the sum by using the Orner's method. First to substitute f of 1, x value 1. Now 1 cube minus 3 into 1 plus 1 equal to 1 cube value 1. This is for 3 plus 1. Now 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. This is for negative result. Next f of 2. F of 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 1 equal to 2 cube value 8 minus 6 plus 1 equal to 9 minus 6 equal to 3 equal to positive value. Now the root lies between 1 and 2. The root lies between 1 and 2. Okay, this is for a value 1 and a plus 1 value 2. Okay, in Orner's method we have to take only the negative value, negative integral part. Okay, now the integral part negative, we have to find out 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places means a dot b c d. Here a for integral part. Okay, this is for integral part 1. Now diminish the given f of x function by 1. We can get the integral part. Okay, now to make this is for 0 by diminish the given function by 1. After that we can get the point, that is 0 point b c d decimal, 3 decimal places. Now to find out 3 decimal places value, that is b value, c value, d value, multiply 10. Multiply 10. First we have to diminish the a value. For that we can take the 1. This is of negative value. Diminish the root of the equation or given equation, that is f of x equal to 0 by 1. We have to diminish by 1. 1, this is for negative. In honors method, always we have to take the negative root. Okay, diminish by 1. Now, diminish by 1, we have to use the dividend method, synthetic division method. Here, x cube coefficient value 1, x square not available, so to fix 0, and x value minus 3 and constant value 1. Now we have to use the synthetic division method. Divide by 1, diminish by 1. Here to fix 1. Here the 1 we have to write as it is like that, and to multiply these two. 1 into 1, 1, that 1 we have to fix here. Now add these two values 0, 1, 1 and 1 multiply with here 1. We can get the result 1. Now to subtract these two, now result is minus 2. Now minus 2 multiply with 1, we can get the result minus 2. Now result is minus 1. Okay. Now to diminish 1. Now the constant coefficient value we can use. And 1, again 1, we have to divide the 1 as it is. 1, we have to multiply with 1. Now result is 1. We have to add these two, result 2. 2, we can, this one. Now to multiply these two, 2. Now to subtract these two, 0. Okay. And then this is for constant, we can leave that one. Again 1, we have to substitute here. 1 into 1, 1. This is for 3. Now we can write the equation, that is g1 of x equal to x cube plus 3 x square and x value 0 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 0. Now here the integral value, that is a equal to 1. A equal to 1. Next, a value we have make 0 by diminishing 1. This is the integral value 1. Now 0 dot BCD. Now to multiply with 10. Multiply with 10. Multiply the root of g1 of x equal to 0 by 10. You have to multiply this equation by 10. Now the new equation, the transformed equation is, now to multiply 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1. 1 into x3. That is, this is for f1 of x is equal to x cube plus here 10 power 1. 10 power 1 means 10. Now to multiply with the 10. 3 into 10, 30. 30 x square. And here x naught value not available. Okay. And then constant we have to multiply with 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 1000. Now multiply with this one. Now minus 1000 equal to 0. Okay. Next step, we have to find out b value for that diminished by here. And next to substitute to find out what is the negative value and what is the positive value. For that we have to substitute f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 like that. Now f of 5 equal to, here 5 cube means 125 plus 5 square. 5 square 25 into 30, we can get the result 755 minus 1000 equal to negative result. Next f of 1, 6 cube value 216 plus 6 square value 36 into 30, we can get the 1080 minus 1000 equal to positive result. So we can take the root lies between 5 and 6. 5 and 6 means we can take the 5. 5 is the negative value. 5 is the negative root. So we can take. This is the B value. This is the B value. Now B equal to 5. Now to diminish the f of f1 of x by 5. Diminish the root of f1 of x equal to 0 by, you have to divide by 5. Now to use the synthetic divisor method, for that x cube value 1, x square value 30 and x here not available, so fix 0 and constant value minus 1000. And divisor synthetic method, we have to divide by 5. Here the 5 is a negative value. In the honest method, always we have to take the negative, and 1 as it is 1 and 1 multiplied with 5. That 5 we can add here. Now add these two values 35. 35 multiplied with 5, we can get the result 175. And then add these two values, result is 175. Next 175 multiply into 5, we can get the result 875. Now subtract these two, we can get the result minus 125. Again, now this is for constant value, we can leave it that one. 5, again 1 as it is. Now multiply 1 into 5. Now add these two 40 into 5, 200. Now add these two 375. Now this is for constant value, so we can leave that one. Again 5, 1 as it is, 1 multiply with the 5. Now add these two 45. So this is the result. Therefore, G2 of x, x cube plus 45 x square plus that 375x minus 125 equal to 0. So, B value will make the 0. And then we can get 0 point CD. Now B equal to 5. Okay? B equal to 5. Now 0.CD. Now we have to find out the C value. For that we have to multiply with the 10. This equation we have to multiply with the 10. So we can get multiply with the C means C dot D. Now to find out the C value. For that multiply the root of G2 of x equal to 0 by 10. Now G2 of x, you have to multiply with the 10. This is for 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. Now multiply with, now the transform equation is f of f2 of x equal to, this is for f1 and this is for f2. f2 equal to, now 10 power 0 means 1 and multiply with the x cube plus 10 power 1, 10 power 1, 10. Now to multiply with the 10, 450 x square plus 10 power 2 means 100. Now multiply with 100, 37500 x and 10 power cube. 10 power cube means 1000. Now multiply with the 1000, minus 1, 25,000 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Here constant value available as well as x value available. So we can use the trial division method. Trial division method means 125,000 divided by 37500. Now to divide these two, we can get the result is 3 point something. 3 point something means we can get the one negative value and positive value between 3 and 4. This is the format to find out f of f2 of x when positive and negative value. For that trial division method, constant value we have to divide with the x value. We can divide these two, we can get the result 3 point something. 3 point something means 3 for negative result and 4 positive result. So f2 of x value 3. 3 means you have to substitute here 3 cube plus 4 50 x square means 3 square and then here 3 and 2 simplify, we can get the result is negative and f2 4 equal to, we can get the result is positive. In Arnott method always we have to take only the negative one. Yeah, negative 3. 3 means the c value 3. Here c, this one c equal to 3. Now this 3 diminished by the g2 of x by 3. Now the given g2 of x diminished by 3. So we can get the c value 3 by diminishing method. Here the method is synthetic division method. X cube value 1, x square value 45. Sorry, here f2 g 450 square and here 37500. Next 1 2 minus 1 2 000 and we have to use the synthetic division method by diminishing by 3. We have to use diminish the root of f of f2 of x equal to 0 by 3. Okay, by 3. This is a synthetic division method. 3, the 1 we have to write as it is like that, and 1 into 3, 3. Here substitute the 3 value and add these two, 453 and 453 multiply with the 3, you can get the result is 1359. Now to add these two, next 38,859 and 38,859 multiply with 3. Now we can get the result 65, 77. Now to subtract these two, the result is 8423 minus. Now this is a constant value, you can leave it that one. And 3 again the 1 as it is, and 1 multiplied with the 3. Now 3 substitute here, add these two, 456. Now 456 multiplied with the 3, you can get the result 1368. Now add these two, result is 40,227. This is a constant value, so we can leave it that one. Again 3. Now 1 as it is 1, multiply with the 3. Now result is 459. This is a constant value, we can leave it this one. Therefore, this is for g of g2, and here g3 of x equal to, this is for x cube, x square, x and a constant value. X square, x cube plus 459 x square and plus 40,227x minus constant value 8423 equal to 0. Okay. Now this is for C value and D value. Now to multiply this one by 10. Okay. Now here C value is 0 and dot D will be available. That is third decimal digit. Okay. After diminish, now 0 point D will be available. Now this one we have to multiply with 10. We have to multiply with 10. Okay. Multiply the root of g3 of x equal to 0 by multiply with 10. Multiply with 10 means this is for 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2 and 10 power 3. We have to multiply. Now the transformed equation. The transformed equation is f3 of x. f3 of x equal to 10 power 0 means 1. Now 1 into x cube plus 10 power 1 means 10. Now 10 multiply with this one. 4590 x square plus 10 power 2. 10 power 2 means 100. 100 multiply with this one. 4022700 x minus 10 power 3 means 1000. 1000 multiply with this one. 8423000 equal to 0. Now trial division method. Trial division method means constant value we have to divide with the x value. Minus 8423000 divided by 4022700. Now to divide these two, we can get the value equal to 2 point something. 2 point something means here the 2 and 3. The root lies between 2 and 3. 2 for negative and 3 for positive. Now divide these two, we can get the result 2 point something. 2 point something means the real root is between 2 and 3. Now to substitute f of f3 of x value here 2. 2 means now 2 value substitute here, we can get the result is negative, and f3 of 3 equal to, we can get the result is positive. So in Arn's method, always we have to take the negative. Always we have to take the negative. And here d value. Now d value is 2. D value is 2. Okay. Now a value we have defined out, b value, c value and d value. And finally we have to write the result. And finally we can write the result A dot B C D. Now the root is A value, we already find out A value 1 point, and B value 5 and C value 3 and D value we already find out 2. This is the result of the given sum by using the honors method. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.